Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the 5 best reciprocating saws in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these reciprocating saws you can check out the description below. So let's get started. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER BDCR20C 20 volts max cordless reciprocating saw kit. A versatile and powerful tool designed to make your cutting tasks easier and more efficient. This cordless reciprocating saw is engineered for maximum convenience with its tool-free blade change feature, allowing you to switch blades quickly and effortlessly without any additional tools. The pivoting shoe ensures enhanced control, providing stability and precision during cutting. Additionally, the variable speed trigger gives you complete control over the cutting speed, enabling you to adjust it according to the material and task at hand. Perfect for a wide range of applications, from pruning branches to cutting through metal pipes, this saw offers the flexibility and power you need. Please note that international versions of this product may have different terms, including variations in fit, age ratings, and language of product labeling and instructions. Elevate your cutting experience with the BLACK+DECKER BDCR20C 20 volts max cordless reciprocating saw kit. Introducing the DEWALT DCS367P1 20 volts max XR compact reciprocating saw, a powerhouse tool designed for those who demand efficiency and versatility in their cutting tasks. With up to 2.5 times more runtime, this saw ensures that you can tackle even the most demanding jobs without frequent recharges. Its compact 14.5-inch length allows it to fit easily between studs and into tight spots, making it ideal for various applications. Weighing in at just 5 pounds, tool only, it's incredibly lightweight, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The keyless 4-position blade clamp offers quick and easy blade changes, providing cutting versatility to handle different materials with ease. With a 1-1/8-inch stroke length and a variable speed trigger delivering up to 2,900 strokes per minute, this saw is built for efficiency and precision. Additionally, the bright LED light illuminates dark work areas, ensuring accuracy in every cut. Elevate your cutting game with the DEWALT DCS367P1 20 volts max XR compact reciprocating saw. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hackzall, the ultimate solution for tough cutting applications. Engineered with the Power State brushless motor, this tool delivers increased cutting speed and power, making quick work of the toughest jobs. Featuring RedLink Plus intelligence, it boasts the most advanced cordless power tool electronics, optimizing performance and providing overload protection through seamless communication between the tool, battery, and charger. The red lithium battery technology ensures superior pack construction and performance, offering more work per charge and a longer battery life compared to any other on the market. Designed for one-handed operation, the M18 Fuel Hackzall offers unmatched control and versatility, making it easier to maneuver than standard reciprocating saws. Its 7/8-inch stroke length removes more material per stroke, resulting in faster cuts, while the pivoting shoe maintains constant contact with the workpiece for smoother cuts with less bucking and vibration. Experience up to 3 times longer tool life with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hackzall, the pinnacle of cutting efficiency and durability. Introducing the BOSCH RS428 14-amp reciprocating saw, the ultimate power tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This high-performance saw boasts a robust 14-amp motor, delivering unparalleled cutting power while maintaining an impressively lightweight design at just 8 pounds. What truly sets the BOSCH RS428 apart is its innovative vibration control system. Equipped with cutting-edge counterbalance technology and an anti-vibration handle, it significantly reduces vibration, ensuring smoother and more comfortable operation even during extended use. This powerful combination not only enhances precision but also reduces user fatigue, allowing you to tackle the toughest jobs with ease. Whether you're cutting through wood, metal, or other materials, the BOSCH RS428 ensures top-notch performance and control. Experience the best power-to-weight ratio on the market and elevate your cutting efficiency with the BOSCH RS428 reciprocating saw. Introducing the Makita JR3051T Recipro Saw, a robust and reliable tool designed to tackle the most demanding cutting tasks with ease. Equipped with a powerful 12.0 AMP motor, this saw delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute, ensuring fast and efficient cutting performance. The longer 1-3/16 stroke length enhances cutting speed, making quick work of even the toughest materials. For added convenience, the Makita JR3051T features a tool-less blade change system, allowing for quick and easy blade installation and removal without the need for additional tools. A built-in tool hook secures the saw when not in use, ensuring safety and organization on the job site. The variable speed trigger provides precise control, making it perfect for a wide variety of applications. Whether you're cutting wood, metal, or other materials, the Makita JR3051T Recipro saw offers the power and versatility you need to get the job done right.